Look up, the sky, a velvet ocean stretching beyond imagination. Every star a whisper from the past, every galaxy a flame suspended in the void. To the naked eye, it feels still, but science now tells us it's not. The universe is expanding, constantly, rapidly, relentlessly. This groundbreaking revelation shook the world of physics in the 20th century. In 1929, Edwin Hubble observed galaxies moving away from us, not drifting, but space itself stretching. The farther a galaxy is, the faster it recedes. From this discovery came the theory of an expanding universe, leading ultimately to the Big Bang Theory. But for a believer who reads with the heart, this expansion was spoken long before Hubble ever looked through his telescope. And the heaven we constructed with strength, and indeed we are its expander. Surah Adh-Dhariyat 51:47. 14 centuries ago, a verse whispered of the sky being expanded. No telescopes, no equations, no observatories. Just the sacred words of the Qur'an. Coincidence or something deeper? It invites reflection, not just about the vastness of space, but the source behind it. What kind of power breathes stars into existence and stretches the universe like a painter across canvas? And if he has the strength to stretch galaxies, could he not also expand the limits of your own heart? As we dive into the next phase, we'll explore the scientific confirmation of this verse and the deeper message it holds for our existence. In the early 20th century, humanity stood at the edge of a new cosmic understanding. When Edwin Hubble pointed the Hooker telescope toward distant galaxies, he noticed something astonishing. The light from those galaxies was redshifted. It meant they were moving away from us. And not just that. The farther they were, the faster they retreated. This was not just motion, this was expansion. The implications were enormous. It meant the universe had a beginning. It once was smaller, denser, and hotter. And from that singularity, space itself began to stretch. A concept that birthed the Big Bang Theory. Now rewind 1400 years. A desert prophet recites, "And the heaven we constructed with strength, and indeed we are its expander." Surah Adh-Dhariyat 51:47. In Arabic, the word musirun, means one who continually expands. It's a present participle, not past, not future, but ongoing. This subtle grammar choice aligns perfectly with our modern understanding of the ever-expanding cosmos. How could a man, unlettered and without instruments, speak of cosmic truths only confirmed millennia later? For many, it's a coincidence. For others, it's a sign, not of science versus faith, but of science confirming faith. If the Qur'an spoke truth about the stars, what else might it say about you? Your fears, your purpose, your soul? The sky isn't just expanding, it's calling. In the next phase, we'll explore how this expansion mirrors our own spiritual journey and why understanding the cosmos can help us understand ourselves. The universe expands, not with chaos, but with precision. Each galaxy spins in silence. Each star burns in place, all under laws, gravity, time, motion, that point to an architect of stunning order. And as space expands, so does possibility. In a way, the outer universe mirrors the inner world. Just as galaxies drift outward, your soul too is capable of expansion, of growth, renewal, healing. But here's the irony. Many people feel smaller as the universe grows larger. We feel lost, insignificant, tiny specks in an uncaring cosmos. Yet the Qur'an never leaves us in despair. While it speaks of cosmic vastness, it also says, "We are closer to him than his jugular vein." Surah Qaf 50:16. The same one who stretched the heavens is intimately close, not far, not distant, not watching coldly from some corner of space. This is the paradox of divine love, infinitely vast, yet personally near. The expanding universe isn't proof of human insignificance. It's a reminder of how much intention there is behind our existence. The same power that measured light years created you with purpose. And as you reflect on this, the sky, the stars, the scripture, maybe your soul begins to stretch too, to make space for awe, for gratitude, for trust. Because the more we recognize our smallness, the more we become open to something far bigger than ourselves. In the next phase, we will ask, what does this mean for our responsibility to ourselves, each other, and the earth we call home? As the heavens stretch beyond imagination, we are reminded, Earth is the only known cradle of life. Out of trillions of stars and galaxies, only this pale blue dot, balanced perfectly between gravity and grace, is our home. And the Qur'an repeatedly invites us not just to admire creation, but to care for it. It is He who has made you successors, Khalifa, upon the earth. Surah Al-An'am 6:165. Khalifa, stewards, not owners, not destroyers, caretakers of a trust. If the universe speaks of divine design, then Earth is the workshop of human responsibility. The more we know about the universe, the clearer this becomes. Climate change, extinction, pollution, these are not just environmental problems. They're spiritual failures. Failures to live up to our role as stewards under the stars. Modern science shows us how fragile Earth is, but the Qur'an warned us long before. Corruption has appeared on land and sea because of what the hands of people have earned. Surah Ar-Rum 30:41. This isn't just about guilt, it's a call to action. If the universe can expand, why can't we? Expand in mercy. Expand in wisdom, expand in care for all living things. Because in every galaxy that whirls, and in every tree that breathes, there's a whisper of the same Creator. And when we fail to hear it, we risk losing the very harmony we were meant to protect. In the final phase, we'll tie the cosmic and the personal, and reflect on what this expanding universe truly demands of our hearts. We have traveled outward, through stars, galaxies, verses, and reflections. But the greatest journey is the one inward. The Qur'an does not speak only to the eye that sees constellations. It speaks to the heart that feels purpose, the soul that longs for meaning. As the universe expands, so does the human spirit, when aligned with revelation, when nourished by awe. Soon we will show them our signs in the horizons and within themselves, until it becomes clear to them that it is the truth. Surah Fussilat 41:53. You are not an accident. You are not alone. You are not forgotten. The one who designed the cosmos also designed your capacity to hope, change, believe, and return. So lift your eyes to the stars, but never forget, the greatest light may be the one quietly rising within you.